It is the end of an era because this week Lamborghini has finally announced the replacement for the Lamborghini Huracan, one of their best cars, in my opinion, of all time. Behind me is the Lamborghini Temerario. And something I think is really interesting about this car is we ditched the V10 for a twin turbo V8 engine that revs to 10,000 RPMs. And it's unlike any car that we have had in a Lamborghini before. It is a brand new engine for Lamborghini. Now, the design of this car, it might take a little bit of time to grow on me, just like the Revuelto did, but I think that's because I'm so emotionally attached to the Huracan. Objectively, though, this is a beautiful, sleek, and modern design, and I'm in love with this color. There's a lot about this car that gives it some geometric aspects. So you'll see here, you got your geometric shapes in your day running lights and your very, very sleek and slender headlights that sit a little bit back inside of the front bonnet here. Now, if you come around the back, you'll notice that this is something that you see all throughout the car, specifically when you walk around to the back end and you see it in the taillights. You'll notice that, of course, that this is a geometric shape that Lamborghini likes to use a lot. You see it here in the top grille up here, and then around down here into the taillights where you see it just a little bit wider, and even, of course, in that center exit exhaust that we love. It's a very popular car today. Now, something that's really cool, not only is this engine completely exposed here, if you check out right there under the V8, you can actually see the firing number right there on that engine plate. That we've been seeing a lot of this Y-shaped design in the rear ends of the Lamborghinis, the Urus, and especially their newer cars like the Revuelto. This isn't something that you see at all on the Temerario. You'll notice again this geometrical pattern that's continued from the front end to the back end of the car. Well, unlike what you're expecting from most Lamborghinis, it looks like the interior of this is a lot more simple, and dare I say it, it looks a little bit more from what you'd expect of a McLaren. A very sleek, small, somewhat floating screen right there in the center console. Down, of course, we did not ditch the flip switch, but a rather simple interior that I think looks great. On one hand, I think the interior design looks really modern and really sleek, but it does kind of abandon that fighter jet pilot interior feeling that you get from the Huracan. But that being said, there's a lot going on with this car design wise that really makes up for the very simplistic interior. Thank you guys for watching. Let me know what you think of the Huracan replacement, the Lamborghini Temerario, down in the comment section below. And of course, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.